No, stop.
All right, Brendan, you got this. Watch out, Daniel.
Get this on video. Get this on video.
I am.
You better knock off the Snickers. How do you want that?
Where's the Snickers?
Right there, dude. He's shaking them.
Alright, that's mine. It's not even close.
This is like my job. I did this last time. Please don't destroy the machine.
No, she gave us permission to do what we do to get it.
Who gave you permission?
Janet.
Who gave you permission to do what?
What we need to do. Tell you.
To do what?
To get this. Yeah.
No, to get our Skittles out.
Permission to do whatever you want to get it
You
out.
put money in or?
Yeah.
It's stuck. Okay. So
Yeah.
It's okay. We're not gonna.
I got. No, wait.
Oh, wait.
hold the thought.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got this one.
Brendan, pull him, Andre.
No, you can't break that. It's about this plastic.
Oh, thank you for telling me. Because I would have broken my nose or something.
Daniel, quit. Stop, Daniel.
He was like this.
I got this. Oh, stop.
No, I just asked her.
No? So, okay.
Yeah, Sam,
That-
because
that's not
nobody
gonna
thought
work.
of that yet, Sam. Because nobody thought of
I
that.
got this. Just stop. No, just stop.
It's not going to work right.
Wait, she's talking about us.
Yeah. He has the power. He's the power.
That's all I can do. I'm done.
I got you.
I gave him my all. I did my best.
You gotta caress it. You gotta caress it.
Is that your baby mama?
Wait, I have a good idea. Does anybody have like a clothes hanger and we can like?
Why would we carry a clothes
I
hanger?
don't know, but like we could like unfold it and like stick it through here, and then we can get it out with that.
Stop! You're hurting her.
Dude. You smelled the McDonald's.
Oh, seriously? Where?
Stop!
What is wrong with Brendan? Is it like? Brendan, you're
I love that fake
Look,
jersey.
he got his inside out pants. What are you doing?
Oh, shoot. That's not quick.
It's stuck.
I think it's getting there.
He finished.
He took it from the front. Hey, Daniel, you take it from the front, I take it from the back. Go! Oh, whoa.
I was prepared for that. Yeah.
If we had something skinny, like,
Exactly.
you
That's
can
what
put
we
it
need,
to
like
the side and,
a
like, plug it down.
Excuse me. Hey,
excuse me. We could just put another dollar in there.
Nah,
No,
that ain't me.
cheating.
No, we don't do that.
That's so boring.
I told you to get the Skittles. I told you to get the Skittles.
Yeah.
Well, want to listen to me.